Simulated engine failure.
Okay. Map. Trim for 60. There's a nice field right out here to my left. Up. It's flowing right down here. 60. Okay, so we've trimmed the airplane. We picked an airfield called Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is India Mike Judah Kilo, 1 mile east of the Rockton tanks. Emergency landing, engine failure. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. So we're caused, well, a little boost of power here to warm it up a bit. Back all the way out, or keep a bit on there?
Keep a touch.
There's all the way out anyways. Okay. A little fast here to back up. Do a cause check. Fuel's on. Try restarting the engine. Here's on. Okay. We're at 2,000 feet. Our airspeed a bit here.
Which field is it?
It's this one. There's a wreck of a barn. And as I come down here, it's not the best field, but we are committed because it's got a upward part on it.
Okay.
Yeah, slope. So now we're at 2,000 feet. We'll watch this level.
This one?
Yeah, this one here with the big lump on it.
Which direction are you landing?
We're landing to the north.
Okay. This one right here?
Yeah. Airspeed.
Watch our bank angle and speed.
Yeah, and speed. I don't like this airfield anymore.
You're not going to make it, so let's overshoot.
Overshooting.
Overshoot.
Okay, we got right rudder, some positive climb. Up we go.